hopefully with these, we're getting used to the form of them and it should be pretty quick. I would think today, since we've done it. You do have to remember, however, how to multiply and divide. So hopefully that's not too far ago. This first rule says to divide by 2. So we would say 6 divided by 2.
What page?
This is page 9. We are on page 9. 6 divided by 2. 2 times what is 6? 2 times what is 6? 3, thank you. 2 times 3 is 6. So if we're dividing these all by 2, we're wanting to know what times 2 would equal that. So what times 2 is 8? My dears, 4. 16 divided by 2, in other words, 2 times what is 16? 8. And 18 divided by 2 is what? 9. Guys, I really hope these are ones that you know. I'm concerned if you don't, you should be practicing them. If you don't know multiplication and division quickly, you should be practicing them. All right, multiply by 10. What's 0 times 10? 0. What's 1 times 10? The rule is to multiply 10, just like we are adding or subtracting, AJ. No, you don't. Yeah, they're right here on my desk. What's 1 times 10? 10. 6 times 10. And 9 times 10. Dividing by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? 1. 12 divided by 4. So 4 times what is 12? 3. 24 divided by 4. 4 times what is 24? 8. Just kidding, it's 6. 6 times 4 is 24. The last one is going to be 7 though. 28 divided by 4 is 7 because 7 times 4 is 28. Maybe I did. I don't know. All right, divide by 9. 9 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9. So these are the same except we're going horizontally across. Multiply by 5. So 2 times 5. 4 times 5. 7 times 5. 10 times 5. Multiply by 6. 2 times 6. 5 times 6. 7 times 6. 10 times 6. Multiply by 3. 1 times 3. 3 times 3. 5 times 3 and 8 times 3. Divide by 5. 15. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And 50 divided by 5 is 5. No, 10. What am I thinking? All right, so now we have to determine the rule. I think it is safe to say we're talking about multiplication or division, right? What do we have to multiply by the 5 to get 55? 11. So this is multiply 11. 9 times 11 is 99. 1 times 11 is 11. 3 times 11 is 33. 5 times 11 is 55. Well, we're not sure how to get from, 0 to 0. But how do we get from 33 to 3? Got the hiccup. Good. So divide 11. 77 divided by 11 is 7. 110 divided by 11 is 10. How do I get from 1 to 2? Multiply 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. Excuse me. 10 times 2 is 20. Oh, these hiccups are going to be the death of me. How do I get from 12 to 1 with multiplication or division? Any number divided by itself is 1. So we're going to divide 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 84 divided by 12 is 7. 96 divided by 12 is 8. How do I get from 2 to 16? Multiply 8. So 0 times 8 is what? 0. How do I get from 12 to 3? Divide 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 60 divided by 4 is 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 36 divided by 4 is 9. All right. So now you have 10. 11 should be done. 12. And 13. So be careful on 13. They're not asking you to do any rules, but they're going between, they're a mixture of all the operations. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So your packet should be done through page 13. And so on Monday, we're going to probably be finishing this up. Yes. What did you say? Oh, gotcha. All right. So make sure you are doing page 10 and then 12 and 13. 11 should already be done yesterday. So if you're missing anything through page 13, make sure you go back and complete those.